Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to record or make videos in Snapchat. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Snapchat application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Snapchat login ID and password. Once you open the Snapchat, all you need to do is tap and hold the circular red dot button and keep it for 60 seconds. Once the circular red line is completed, it will split the video in 10-second segments as Snapchat only records 60 seconds and each video will be about 10-second segments which you can later individually save it. As I am going with the 3 segments of the videos. To let you know, while recording a video on Snapchat, there is a time limit of 60 seconds video. You click on it, you can record anything that is less than 60 seconds. As you can see, my video has been recorded. Now you also can edit this video. Also, you can add a text in this video. You also can mute the sound, whereas you can unmute it too. You can either save it or you can directly send it to your friends. This is how you can record or make a videos on Snapchat. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to record or make the videos in Snapchat. Thank you.